It is now time for a stick too big for a dog too small. Come on, Chewy. Chewy! Stop sniffing that tree. Chewy! You want the stick? You want the big stick? I know you do. You gotta get this good grip to throw. Hey! Look at her, she's gonna try and pick it up now. Come on, you better pick it up. Otherwise, I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. Oh, look at her. She got it. All right. No. I got it. Look at her bounce. This is why I love her. Come on. You better grab that stick and run away with it before I come grab it. Oh, I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. Oh, I've taken it from you. I basically got the fence now almost. Yeet! Come on, girl. There you go. You. Look how derpy she looks. Onwards to victory. My stick, my prize. All right. I think that's enough time now.